Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the printer is only printing half pages on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing. Most probably the issue is with the Wi-Fi connection, and I have faced this previously, so I know that. If the Wi-Fi is weak, it will stop printing halfway. So here's what you can do. Wait or restart your printer and connect it to a stronger Wi-Fi connection. I usually keep my printer near the router, okay? Or I can also buy an extender. So this is the main solution. After this, here's what you have to check on the settings. Click on File and then select Print and make sure that the orientation is right. If you're using landscape, then make it sure that it's landscape. If you're using portrait, then make sure it's portrait, because if you interchange this, then the complete page might not get printed. So it depends on what you have on the page when you are drawing it. To confirm, go to the layout tab, okay, and then click on orientation and make sure that the orientation is correct. Now, other than this, you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open a device manager. Expand the list for printer drivers, right click on it and select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.